Welcome to the beautiful community of Montevista, located in Cave Creek, Arizona. I'm Kim Nathanson.
And I'm Holly Hoepfner with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Arizona Properties. Our newest listing at 5325 East Barwick Drive is a fabulous corner lot Portano model.
This spacious 3-bedroom, 3 full bath plus office and bonus room home shows like a model. From the private courtyard to the magnificent resort-like backyard, you'll love being home.
The office, with beautiful built-in desk and shelves, is perfect for working from home. Cook up meals in the chef's kitchen, complete with 6-burner gas stove, dual ovens, built-in fridge, island, extended solid cherrywood cabinetry with granite countertops, and walk-in pantry.
Eat in the dining room, island bar, or breakfast nook. Entertain in the family room with fireplace off the kitchen or relax in the bonus flex room. This split floor plan offers privacy for family members and guests. Enjoy the resort-style, low-maintenance, very private backyard.
Splash in the pool with water feature, soak in the spa, lounge on the deck, barbecue on your built-in grill, and sit by the fireplace on chilly Arizona nights.
This beautifully landscaped neighborhood comes with many parks, multi-use paths, and planned HOA events, which brings the community together and why you'll love living in Montevista. If you'd like to schedule a private showing or want to hear more information about this wonderful community,
please contact us at the numbers below and visit us on our website at montevistalife.com.